Hey guys, welcome. It's just a quick video blog, won't take much of your time. It's just to make the booking process nice and fast and simple, not only for yourself but also for myself as well. So we just need to know what style of headliner board is actually in your car right now that you need recovered and replaced, because we can pull out that headliner board out of stock, recover it in brand new material, and then have it ready for you when you arrive, or if you call us out on a mobile service, because that just makes for a nice, fast, easy changeover. We take your old headliner board out of your car and then we reinstall the new headliner board back in your car that's been recovered. Your old one goes back on the shelf for the next customer to come along. So it's always the same result at the end of the day. You get a brand new recovered headliner board. That's the only way to professionally recover a headliner. So we take off the old material, replace it with brand new material, so brand new foam, brand new fabric, new glue, all back to factory standard again. So you can choose the original factory style color, we always have that in stock, or you can choose other colors, things like you can go options like black and dark gray. We'll go into that shortly in a second. So if you've got a Ford Falcon FG, we'll take you through those steps now. So Ford Falcon FGs, there's 3 styles you can have that come out in the sedan. If you've got a ute, the only thing that's going to change is up the front here between the 2 sun visors. So it's going to be very much the same. You just got to let us know what's inside, what's between those 2 sun visors. So if we go to the Ford FG G6E, I believe they're the only models that have the sunglasses console. So you would normally have like the map lights and then a drop down sunglasses console, and then you would have this section in the middle with the dual map lights. Let us know if you've got that, and let us know if you've got the reading lights underneath the sun visors. And that's pretty much it. The grab handles at the rear are universal, grab handles at the front passenger door, universal. So that's the only things that change. FGs only came out with 1 color, so if you want their factory color, just let us know. We know what that is, we have it on stock. If you want to go black, we do have black options, black velour and black flat knit. Also there's dark grey velour as well. So the material that we usually use on the car for factory standard would be this color here. It's like a tan type of color that will match to the original material. So if you want original, just let us know. Original material, we have it on stock. So that's one style. The next style could have a map lights in the front center here, the front middle center between the 2 sun visors. Also the same unit in the middle as well. So that you'll just be coming back to us saying map lights in the front, map lights at the top, and that will be that style. And moving to the last one, map lights would have been up the front here, and then just in the middle here will be just a small dome light. Now on utes, all utes have a small dome light right at the end, and then the only thing that changes on the utes is up the front here. It can have just the map lights, or it can have the sunglasses console. So let us know about all that. The grab handles are always going to be universal. The 2 plugs at the back are universal, and the only things that change are the lights under the sun visors and the sunglasses console and the map light section. So you can get back to us with that one and we'll go from there. And before you go guys, we do ask that if you like this content, give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. It really helps us out, and we look forward to seeing you in the future doing your car headliner repair. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, thanks for your time, cheers.